Okay, so we are unboxing the Moschino Fresh Couture set from fragrances.com, and this is what we get on the box. Fragrance.com thank you note. I think there is a okay, this is the order number, and there are some coupons. There's this from Prescription Youth Skin Labs. It's an instant erase eye serum. There's a sample there. We get some savings for Geico. We get a $100 voucher for nakedwines.com, and we get this like kind of little pamphlet with samples of different perfumes and colognes from Symmetry, 6 women's eau de parfum, and this is the Moschino. There's nothing else in the box. This is the Moschino set. Let's get it out. And again, this is the Moschino Fresh Couture. And it's a set. Let's see what's inside. It's difficult to do it with one hand. I promise one day I'm gonna have my equipment to film all of these videos, but so far this is all I have, and voila, there you go. Amazing. So this actually has a nice story behind it. The designer wanted to kind of, I read something about it online. The designer wanted to kind of, contrast the nice fragrance of the Fresh Couture Moschino with a cleaning spray. So it's actually glass. Let me see. Yeah, it's made of glass. This one is 3.4 ounces. It's pretty big, and it smells amazing. Let me tell you, it's I haven't even sprayed it yet, and it smells really, really good. And it comes with the body lotion and the bath and shower gel, 3.0 ounces each. It's an amazing gift if you like sweet perfumes. And that's it.